Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a customer statement in Zoho Books? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to create a customer statement in Zoho Books anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even an in-person business, you know that sometimes your customers require a statement showing all the different charges and payments they've made to you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho Books account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a customer statement, here on the left, you want to go ahead and click on sales. It's this little shopping cart looking thing. Once you click there, this menu is going to open up and you want to click on customers. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all of your customers inside Zoho Book. So just scroll through until you find the customer that you want to create a customer statement for. So for example, this one right here, and you're just going to click on their name. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see more information about that customer in your Zoho Books. And in order to create a customer statement, here on this menu underneath their name, click on statement. Okay, once you do that, it's going to create a customer statement in your Zoho Books. And by default, it's going to create one for the current month, as you can see right here. But you can easily change that by clicking right here on this month, and you can choose how far back the statement should go. So you can custom by entering in specific dates if that's what they need, or you can go ahead and choose for this year or the previous year. So that's really going to depend on your customer, what type of customer statement they're going to need. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this year. Okay, so once you've chosen and created the customer statement, it's going to let you know the dates right here on the top. And now you can go ahead and print it out with this button. You can save it as a PDF with this button, or if you want to just email it directly from Zoho Books, you can click right here and it's going to send an email to your customer with their customer statement. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a customer statement in your Zoho Books, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.